boy G and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright guys, so guess what? I'm home with the family and we are actually passing through a little special area over here in St. Mary. So you guys get to stick and stay with me. We're gonna be just taking a quick look at the place, and you guys can decide whether or not it's somewhere that you'd love to stop by. Alright guys, so if you really want to know where we are, join us on the next side guys. Let's go.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture, and history. Jay says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy.
Yeah man, so we decided to make a quick stop over here at Buccaneers. The Jerk Centre is called Buccaneers Jerk Pit or Jerk Centre, and it's right